In a world where beauty products and quick-fix remedies dominate the shelves, it's easy to forget about nature's simplest solutions. But sometimes, the most powerful treatments have been around for generations, quietly delivering impressive results without the flashy marketing. Castor oil is one such secret. This thick golden oil has been used for centuries for everything from skin and hair care to digestion and pain relief. And while it may not be the most glamorous product in your bathroom, it's one of the most effective. What makes castor oil special? It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and deeply hydrating properties. Whether you apply it to your skin, hair, joints, or even your digestive system, castor oil works to heal, restore, and nourish your body, especially while you sleep. If you've been struggling with thinning hair, weak strands, or slow growth, castor oil might be the answer you've been looking for. Rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, this oil nourishes hair follicles and strengthens the roots, helping to prevent hair breakage, thinning, and fallout. But that's not all. Castor oil doesn't just help the hair on your head. If you dream of having fuller eyebrows and longer, thicker eyelashes, applying castor oil nightly can help promote hair growth in these areas as well. How to use it? Apply a small amount to your scalp, eyebrows, or lashes before bed using a cotton swab or clean mascara wand. Leave it overnight and wash it out in the morning. Dry, flaky skin can be an annoying problem, especially during colder months. Instead of relying on chemical-filled lotions, castor oil provides deep hydration with all natural ingredients. Packed with ricinoleic acid, a powerful fatty acid, castor oil locks in moisture and prevents dryness. Unlike many store-bought moisturizers, it penetrates deep into the skin, nourishing it from within. How to use it? Massage a thin layer of castor oil onto your face, hands, or other dry areas before bed. It works wonders for cracked heels, dry elbows, and chapped lips too. If you have eczema, psoriasis, or sensitive skin, castor oil can help reduce inflammation and calm irritation naturally. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective for fighting acne, redness, and minor skin infections. Plus, it helps soothe itchy, inflamed areas and promotes faster healing. How to use it? Apply a small amount to irritated areas before bed. For extra relief, mix it with a few drops of aloe vera or coconut oil. Did you know that castor oil can help speed up wound healing and reduce the appearance of scars? Its rich moisturizing properties boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity, and helping scars fade over time. Whether you have acne scars, stretch marks, or minor cuts, castor oil can help regenerate skin cells and improve skin texture. How to use it? Gently massage a drop of castor oil onto the affected area each night for faster healing and softer skin. Many people use castor oil as a natural remedy for arthritis, joint pain, and muscle tension. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and provide relief for stiff joints and sore muscles. Some even use castor oil packs to help ease chronic pain and inflammation. How to use it? Warm up some castor oil, soak a cloth in it, place it over the sore area, and wrap it with plastic wrap. Leave it on for an hour or overnight for deeper relief. Struggling with insomnia or restless nights? Castor oil may help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Applying castor oil to certain areas of the body, like your abdomen or the soles of your feet, can help calm your nervous system and promote relaxation. Some people even swear by applying a drop on their eyelids before bed to encourage drowsiness. How to use it? Gently massage a few drops onto your belly or feet before bed for a more restful sleep. One of castor oil's oldest and most well-known uses is as a natural laxative. If you suffer from occasional constipation, bloating, or sluggish digestion, castor oil can provide gentle relief. How to use it? If ingesting, only take a teaspoon before bed. Warning, don't overuse it, it's very potent. You can also massage a few drops onto your stomach for a gentler effect. 8th, strengthens nails and softens cuticles. If your nails are brittle, weak, or prone to breaking, castor oil can hydrate, strengthen, and protect them. It's also excellent for softening dry cuticles and preventing nail peeling. How to use it? Massage a small amount into your nails and cuticles before bed for healthier, stronger nails over time. 9th, fades dark circles and under-eye puffiness. Castor oil's deep moisturizing properties can help reduce dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness around the eyes. It promotes circulation, which reduces fluid buildup and helps you wake up looking refreshed. How to use it? Dab a drop of castor oil under your eyes before bed. Just be careful not to get it in your eyes. 10th, hydrates lips and prevents chapping. Say goodbye to dry, cracked lips. If you've ever struggled with dry, chapped, or peeling lips, you know how uncomfortable and frustrating it can be. The skin on your lips is much thinner and more delicate than the rest of your face, making it highly susceptible to moisture loss, cold weather, sun exposure, and even dehydration. Many commercial lip balms claim to provide hydration, but they often contain artificial fragrances, preservatives, and even drying agents like menthol or camphor, which can actually make your lips even drier over time. This is where castor oil steps in as a game changer. Unlike conventional lip balms, castor oil is completely natural, deeply hydrating, and free of harmful chemicals. Its thick consistency allows it to seal in moisture, preventing lips from drying out while also repairing cracks and soothing irritation. How castor oil transforms your lips overnight. Deep moisturization. Castor oil penetrates the delicate skin of your lips, delivering long-lasting hydration without the need for constant reapplication. Healing and repair. If your lips are cracked, peeling, or sore, castor oil works to soothe, heal, and restore them overnight. Protection against harsh conditions. Whether it's cold weather, wind, or sun exposure, castor oil acts as a natural barrier, preventing lips from drying out. Natural gloss and softness. Say goodbye to dull, flaky lips. With regular use, castor oil gives your lips a natural shine, smooth texture, and soft feel, without the need for store-bought gloss. Gentle and safe for all skin types. Because castor oil is 100% natural, it's safe even for sensitive lips, free from artificial fragrances, dyes, or chemicals that could cause irritation. How to use castor oil for healthier lips. First, apply a tiny amount before bed. Take 1 or 2 drops of castor oil on your fingertip and gently massage it onto your lips. Let it absorb naturally, no need to wipe it off. Second, use it as an overnight lip mask. For extremely dry or cracked lips, mix castor oil with a tiny bit of coconut oil, shea butter, or honey and apply it before bed. Leave it overnight for extra nourishment and repair. Third, exfoliate and moisturize. Once or twice a week, exfoliate your lips with a gentle sugar scrub before applying castor oil. This removes dead skin cells and allows castor oil to absorb better. Fourth, use it during the day for a natural lip gloss effect. If you want hydrated, glossy lips throughout the day, apply a thin layer of castor oil over your lips for a natural, healthy shine. With consistent use, you'll notice that your lips feel softer, smoother, and more hydrated, without the need for constant reapplication like with commercial lip balm. Final thoughts. Why you should start using castor oil tonight. In a world filled with expensive beauty treatments and chemical-laden products, castor oil stands out as a natural, affordable, and incredibly effective solution. Whether you're looking to grow longer, healthier hair, improve your skin's hydration and elasticity, soothe inflammation, irritation, and redness, relieve muscle and joint pain, enhance your sleep quality, improve digestion and relieve constipation, or keep your lips soft, plump, and moisturized, castor oil does it all, without the need for harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients. The best part? It's easy to use, inexpensive, and backed by centuries of traditional use. Adding it to your bedtime routine could make a huge difference in your overall skin, hair, and health, so why not give it a try? You might be surprised at just how much this simple, natural remedy can transform your body,